Hello people, in today's video I will show you the various AI tools that are now part of the Canva platform and how they can be used to maximize efficiency when it comes to designs. My name is Joe, your tech handyman. If this is your first time watching, please subscribe, drop a comment, like the video and turn on your notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. If you are ready, let's dive right in.
So guys, head over to canva.com. There is actually a video on this channel showing you your way around this Canva platform. So for now we are going to work with some things in here. So scroll down to the left hand side. Once you're signed in to apps, when you click on it, it takes you to this place, and you scroll down a bit. All these cards you see are actually Canva AI, but the first one we are going to try is actually text to image. So when you see text to image, you click on it. Use in existing design, you click on it. You want to use it in your project, or you want to use it the one that is shared with you, click on it, then go to untitled design. Once you get to this blank canvas, this particular page will pop up, and this page that says describe the image you want, and we'll create it for you. So that means you type in a prompt here, and then click on create your image, and the image you type will be generated according to your prompt. For instance, if I say a cat walking on a beach with sunglasses and a cup of beer, just like that. A cat walking on a beach with sunglasses on and a cup of beer, something like that. So once I click on create your image like so, it will take a few seconds to create all those images. So you can see this is the first one. You click on it, it comes on the canvas. This is the second one, this is the second one, this is the other one as well. So this is another one, the last one. So you can keep refining your search just as you would do with other AI image generators until you get the perfect image that you are looking for. So let's undo this. So keep trying different prompts to see images that will come on board. Now, in any case, if you are not sure, you just want to see examples, maybe you don't know the prompt you want to create, if you go back like so, coming through the same method we did the other time, text to image, and use a new design like that, and you just want to, maybe here you want to type in what you want to create. In this case I would type YouTube thumbnail like so. Once I type that in, so whatever I'm going to work on now will take the dimensions of the size of a YouTube thumbnail. So here you can see include object, colors, location, surroundings. This is just a dummy text. So if you don't want to type in any prompt to see how this works, you can just click on this plus button that says try an example. For instance, if I click on it, you see a panda riding a bike through a city. You can click again to refresh and generate another one, and again. So once you are okay with whatever the prompt that is auto generated, you just click on scroll down. You can use this to set your styles. Let's just have a look at all the styles. These are all the styles. I think I'll go for this particular one, vibrant. And then if you go down, you see aspect ratio. There's square, there's landscape, portrait, and you select the one that fits what you want to do. For instance, I'm leaving it at square. So once that is done, just the same way you would use any other AI image generator. So click on create your image like so. Now within a few seconds, the image will be created, and of course you can take time to refine. Look at this beautiful, this one here, beautiful. So once you take it to the click on it, it appears on the canvas, so you can resize it the way I'm doing. Okay, you can actually resize it that way for use depending on how you want to use it. So guys, this is amazing. This can save you tons and tons of hours of design. Okay, look at how this looks fantastic, you know. So you can start working on this from here. At least you have something to start. That is for that as far as the text to image Canva AI is concerned. So we go right back home, and then I am doing this so that for the beginners, you know exactly how to get to where we are. So on the home page, under your profile, once you're logged in, just click on app again. It takes you here. The next AI tool we want to try out will be trying to see, okay, DID AI presenters. This particular one, this one here, right here. So click on it, and then it will ask you to show you AI presenters. You can actually create these presenters with a click of a button. So just you can click using an existing design or using a new design. Let's use it in a new design. So you will be asked, what would you want to create? Okay, so we want to create a video. So this opens up. You can see here the storyboard right here. So whatever we are going to create, we can actually do some editing on there. So once we get here, all you need to do is select. These are some of the AI presenters, the avatars. So if you click on see more, these are quite a number. These are quite a number to work with for any purpose. You can actually upload an image here to use, but we're going to use these ones that are here. So I think I'm going to use this particular avatar. So you click on it to select, and then under here you can type in your script, or you can upload an audio like that. So here I'll just head over to ChatGPT real quick to type in a particular prompt. Give me 5 tips for weight loss naturally. So once I click on enter, of course we understand that ChatGPT works by you putting a prompt, and then it will generate whatever it is that you want it to generate. So once done, all you need to do is just copy that, and let's head right back here. So I'll just paste it right here. Once you paste that, and then you go ahead to select your language. English United States is the default, so I'll click English Nigeria right there. And the voice, this is Ezinne, but I will choose Abil because I'm actually using a guy. You can use this to preview the speech or generate presenter. So in this case, I'm going to generate presenter like so. Once you click on it, you hang on a bit.
Here are 5 natural tips for weight loss. 1. Balanced diet asterisk focus on consuming a balanced diet that.
So guys, it's generated. So there's a preview. So you can actually increase it, or should I say, you can put it somewhere there if you want to make it real, something like that. So the background, you can change the background. Okay, you can change the color. For instance, if I want happen on this background, I can change it like so. If I actually want to, I can add element to the background like that to give it that artistic feel. So you can actually add a whole lot of things. For instance, I can add graphics. I'm just showing you what is possible here. The design might not make sense, but I'm showing you what is possible. You can go ahead and add photos if you want. Okay, so I can actually go ahead and design your background the way you want. Once that is done, so you can see it on this storyboard. It is clearly outlined here. So what I'm going to do is to click this play button.
Tips for weight loss. 1. Balanced diet asterisk focus on consuming a balanced diet that includes a variety of prioritized vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Avoid or limit highly processed food, sugary snacks, and sugary drinks.
So guys, that is how this is done. This looks beautiful. You can use it to create even news presenters and a whole lot of things around that. Okay, beautiful, I must tell you. So from this particular token avatar, and don't forget, you can also extend it to cover the entire background. Like I said, it will all depend on what you want to achieve. So you can actually extend it that way to cover your background. Okay, I can drag that word down. Then for position, you want to take it forward, so it covers the other things that were there. So right there, go ahead and adjust it the way you want. Once you play, it's like that. So guys, that is for that, as far as that is concerned. So you go back to app again. Once I click on the app right here, it will take us here, then scroll down. I think we've tried text to image and DID AI presenters. So there are a whole lot of other things right here that we can use. Okay, there are a whole lot of other AI tools right here. Now another one I'm going to try, the last one, will be to go back home, and then we want to try a particular one. Then from here you can just click on you search for YouTube thumbnail, like so. So from this thumbnail section, I will just select a particular thumbnail that I want to use. For instance, I will select this one here and go ahead to customize it. So once we bring it on the canvas here to customize it, so I can just pick the particular element on that design or anything. For instance, I click on this image, you can see edit photo. So once I click on the edit photo, I'm just selecting the particular photo I want to use. These are all AI tools that I can use to create magic right here. So we click on edit photo again. You can use this with one click to remove the background. If I click on it, you'll see that Canva will go to work, and within a few seconds the background of that particular image will be taken out, like so. Okay, I think okay, so we'll go back to edit photo again, click on this. Okay, so this is how it is. See, this is the background, this is the background. So you can actually use it to remove. You can see the background is gone. You can use this brush, increase the brush size if you want to remove a particular, can increase it and reduce it. Notice how this particular brush increases once we drag these controls to the right, and to the left it decreases. So if you want to see the original image, this is how it looks. You can see the background, but in this case, with the magic of this Canva AI background remover, the background is gone. So like I said, you can remove specific details using this. For instance, if I want to take these out, just like so, it's out. Another one is the magic eraser. So if I click on it, use magic eraser, you click on it, it's the same way the other works, the background remover. This is the brush size, you increase or reduce it, then take it to the image and delete a particular section you don't want. For instance, this is, let's say I want to take out this particular section of this person's hand. Once I take my hands off it, Canva will quickly go to work to create that effect. Look at that, that place has been erased, just like that. Guys, this is magical. So you can actually also use magic edit right here. So if I click on magic edit, use magic edit on this, you can take out images here and then replace it with something else. For instance, I will, using the same method, I will take out this particular section of this man's hand. So this will save you a ton of time. Okay, so once done, you just click on continue. So here you are going to describe what you want to be here instead of this person's feast. So you can use what is here. You can be party heart, you can be art sculpture, you can be fireworks. Let's try the fireworks here. So if I click on fireworks right there and then click on generate, so what will happen is that this place will be replaced with a particular item I selected. In this case is fireworks. In seconds, you can see that. You can actually type your own input here. For instance, I can say a cup of beer, like so, a cup of beer, and click generate. Words, whatever you want to come on, once you type in and generate. And like I said earlier, this works just the same way other AI image generators do. Input your prompt, depending on how you refine it, click generate, and you get exactly what you asked for. So in this case, you can see different versions. So if I click on this, you can see how these images sometimes, in some cases, depending on how you use it, could look weird sometimes, like this one. Okay, because this magic edit feature is still in the beta version. So guys, that is for that as regards AI in Canva. There are a ton of it. So what you just need to do is, once you get here, you just click on the app and then it takes you here. So you can click on this to see the ones you have used. You can see we have used text to image, we've used mockup, we've used DID. So here, if you scroll down, you can see all the apps listed here. These are the popular ones. People are using it all over the whole place. There's a mockup, and then there is this emoji, there's YouTube, and a whole lot of other popular AI tools inside of Canvas. So you can select any one that applies to you and then begin to work with it. There's Agent, there's Hello Art, there's KTab, there's Blob. All of these have been integrated into Canva. So guys, this is where we'll end today. In the next, we are going to see how we can use these AI tools to create amazing designs. But in the meantime, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video, and bye for now.